Good morning, everybody. Today is a beautiful day. We are here. We're gonna go to Eindhoven to check out V7AV's tower or antenna and then see what's the problem with it. As the director of V7AV, I gotta do this. So yeah, we're going on a little journey. Get it! Here I am with the V7AV crew. We're gonna go check out the antenna. Can I go? Yeah, boy. Woo. Can I tell you YouTube? We've reached our destination. Short trip, but it was sweet. Yeah. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this view is beautiful. Haven't been here for a while. It's not the tower. That's the tower. Sana we got money? Ladies and gentlemen, what you see there is Eddie. Haven't been there since I was a kid. Unbelievable. We are just looking at the system. So far, they said the antenna keeps moving, so they're gonna have to PI to come and install the wire so it stops moving. But yeah, other than that, chill. So what we're trying to do is get this number down, this one number, the carrier impedance. So yeah, I mean, they're trying to like adjust the tower and fix this at the same time. So, all right, the PI crew just arrived. They're unwinding the cables. They're gonna try and straighten up the tower because when you go under the tower, it's like it's tilted to the side. So you're gonna try and balance it out, tie it down so it doesn't move that much. That way the radio station doesn't get interruptions or get cut off like little knickers here and there. But yeah, man, V7AV, let's do it. I mean, new journey. Loving it so far. We got a lot of projects ahead of us, but man, I'm glad I'm on this team. I think I'm gonna help out a lot. I know I'm gonna help out a lot, but yeah. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks you guys for always watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. It'll help out the channel a lot. And also, new journey. So why not? Hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Every time I upload something new, it pops up. You're notified. Shooty. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of the journey. We are heading back to Majuro. It was a beautiful, beautiful journey over here. Man, I can't wait for a lot more things to happen. So join us next time. Subscribe if you haven't. Click that notification bell. See you guys.